of moral wrongness existing, regardless of whether moral wrongness existed. And this would seem to undercut such intuition from properly justifying our belief in morality. Whereas in theism, and in particular Christianity, where where in Romans, for example, it says God wrote the law in our hearts. Um, Theist has kind of an explanation for it, whereas atheism, it seems we wouldn't have more knowledge. So here's one version of the argument for moral knowledge. Premise one: if God does not exist, then we do not have moral knowledge. Premise two: we do have moral knowledge. For example, we know that it's morally wrong to torture infants just for fun. Conclusion: God exists. A version of the moral argument could use the existence of morality, for example, going something along the lines of, if God does not exist, then objective morality does not exist. Objective morality does exist, premise two. Conclusion, therefore, God exists, whereby moral objectivism means that the moral truths are hold independently of human belief and perception of them. Quick way to justify that second premise, that moral objectivism is true, is just point to a specific example that non-theist might